It starts counting. Okay. Okay, are we team Apple? Or are we team Android? Let's find out what's in the box. Get a new toy. We're gonna get Apple iPhone 12 and a Samsung Galaxy S21. So let's find out what's better. Android, iPhone, Android, Apple, Samsung, Huawei, iPhone. Let's see which one. I'll do the startup on them next, and we'll check back later. Android, Apple, what are you?
Alright, let's get this straight. How you doing? I'm trying to check the iPhone 12 and the Samsung Galaxy S21. Trying to see which one. Hey, it's not really a comparison because I use both. One for work, one for personal, but it was time to get some more toys. So these are the toys I got. Okay, I really want to see, oh for real, wow, it's really red. It's all in the box. Cord. What's this? Oh, it's a key for the memory, for the chip. And this is iPhone 12. I will do the startup in a minute. Comes with a cord, I guess that's all it comes with. Just a cord. No. It comes with a cord. Nothing else. Cord and a phone. I don't even know if it's dual SIM. I don't think so. But we'll see. Now let's open up the Samsung Galaxy S21s. See, I don't even know if you guys can hear me because I'm using my Canon GX7 to record this. So, no way. But it does. Okay, what comes in the Samsung box? There's the Samsung phone. was going a little faster, right? Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Bonjour. Start, I guess. Start English, start English. United States, yes. Quick start. Okay, this will ask for some terms and conditions and details. Okay, read everything right. Next. This has my network already. Let's choose a network already. I'll do some of that, but they both started pretty good, so very fast. But I think I have to do the charging. I think I'm gonna do wireless charging for both and then go from there. After I do some setup, I will be back. Now, after tackling both phones, iPhone 12 and the Samsung Galaxy S21, I'm still Team Android. Charges faster. I like the fingerprint and like the access. iPhone 12 though has the face recognition, which is weird. I like my fingerprint, but the battery is better. Pictures, the Galaxy has more camera, so better pictures. I guess it's a good comparison, but I will stick with both. iPhone for business, Android for personal. Thank you guys.